Okay guys, so let's start with the responsive design adding media queries. Okay, what is the idea? If I go to Illustrator, okay, when I design the website, I create this is for phone view, okay, and then if you stretch, you can see the behavior here on this picture. You can see in 2 columns, all right, and in addition, you can see the menu bar like this, okay, and for desktop view, okay, you can see the picture is half of the viewport, okay, is using for this picture, and the other half is for this one. Is creating here 2 columns for this one and 2 columns for this other one. All right, how you can create this? Let me go to Dreamweaver, okay. In this website, I have here the media queries, okay. When you add a media query, okay, gonna look like this one. This is the final result. Here I have the screen and minimum width of 768. What is the idea? As soon, okay, you stretch the website on 768, okay, the website gonna change the navigation bar, the topic 2, the footer, and the topic 1, okay. If I show you the result here in Google Chrome, okay, and so you start stretching, can you see the menu bar change, okay, and also here the topic 2 will change also. All right, that is the idea. And then if you see there is another media query on 960, if you stretch more than 960, okay, all the container will change, okay. I'm gonna show you here, if I start stretching more than 960, that gonna happen. You can see that is the idea. But now, okay, I'm gonna show you the website that we have in this moment, okay. If I stretch the website, nothing happened. You can see we have to start working on this one, okay. All right, the first step, I have to create the media query for 768 and add a few selector, okay. And this one is going to reflect here on the lowest part of the CSS. You can see you have media, screen, and minimum width 768, and all these rules. Okay, let's go here to the other one. All right, you can create the media queries right here, okay, or you can type directly on the code, okay, whatever you feel more comfortable. I'm gonna go to the CSS, okay, all the way down, and you can write here. But I'm gonna create here in this area. First, okay, double check you have the correct source selected. This is your style sheet, okay? And then here I'm gonna create a media query. By the way, global, okay, is to apply to the entire website, okay? And then you can create more condition or media queries. All right, I'm gonna create a new one, okay? And here on this dialog box, I'm gonna put media is for screen, yes, okay. And then I'm gonna add here the minimum width, okay? And I'm gonna put here 768, okay? And then I'm gonna click OK. All right, and now I have that media query. If you see all the way now on the CSS is there, okay? What I did there, okay, first I start working with the navigation bar, okay? If I show you the set, okay, the navigation bar, the only thing that I put is the width of 20% and flow left, okay? You can see here the width 20% and flow left, okay? All right, let's go to the other one. I'm gonna go here to the CSS all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter, all right. And here I'm gonna put, this is for the nav, okay, and will affect the anchor. You can see the A, all right. Then I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna put nav, okay, space A, and then the curly brackets. Hit enter, okay, I can put here width, and then I'm gonna put here 20%. All right, and what will happen if I stretch this, okay, you can see the width is 20%. But in addition, what I have to do after 20%, I'm gonna put the semicolon, enter, and also I'm gonna put here the float left. And now you will see all the navigation bar on the correct position. Okay, that's gonna happen if you have more than 768. You can see it's working and it's pretty easy. All right, I'm gonna go back to the other one, the final result. Okay, the only thing that I did for the topic 2, okay, the topic 2 is this one. Okay, let me stretch this more than 768. Okay, a little more. Okay, the topic 2, now if you see the topic 2 image is covering 48%, you can put 50, 48, and I put a margin right to 2%, okay, flow left, okay, a margin bottom, 20 pixels to push this one a little down, okay. I'm gonna copy all this code, all right, copy, oh, I forgot this, copy, then I'm gonna go to the other one, and here on the lowest part, I'm gonna do one enter, I'm gonna paste that code. Okay, that is the behavior for this. Can see it works very nice. What else I did? If you see here, I have a media query for the footer, but it's not necessarily that one. You can delete that. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one, and I'm gonna work with the. Oh, it's working that. Okay, I'm gonna work with the topic 1 also. Okay, the topic 1. If you see, the margin bottom is 20 pixels. Okay, this is the topic 1. Okay, the wrapper of all this you can see topic 1 is there. Okay, this is topic 1. And first, what I have here is the width is 80%. You can see it's a little different than the first one. The margin right auto in order to put on the center, okay, and the margin bottom 20 pixels in order to push down that, okay. All right, I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna paste over here, okay, and I have on 20% that. All right, it's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this one, and I have another media query, and this media query is if the site is more than 960, okay, and I did a few changes. Okay, let's create the media query first. All right, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna create the other media query, double check hardly selected, and hit the plus. All right, and here media screen, okay, enter, and then select here the minimum width of 960, okay, 960, perfect, and then select OK, click OK. All right, and now I have a new media query here on the lowest part, okay, and then I'm gonna enter to type mode code, okay. What is the idea of this one? First, what I did is for the container feature, okay. If you remember the container feature, I'm gonna go to my Illustrator, I'm gonna go here, is this one. The container feature is one of these one. What is the idea? As soon as you stretch, okay, the idea these two guys, okay, right here gonna go like this. In that case, what I had to put this container feature, we're gonna cover around 48% with 1% of margin maybe, okay. Let's take a look what I did here. I have flow left, okay, margin left, margin right, okay, and the width is 48%, all right. This box sizing border box, okay, is good if you have, for example, stroke, because I had a stroke on the beginning, but then I removed the stroke. But if you have a stroke, you have a padding or whatever you have here, okay, the border box is good to remove that stroke, okay. But if you see give WebKit, okay, that is in order to be compatible, the box size in border box, in order to be compatible with Firefox, okay, Mozilla, and here the WebKit, in order to be compatible with all browser. That's why you will see this WebKit and Mozilla, okay, and the box sizing, okay, is these three pieces is just for the border box to be compatible with any browser, okay. But I don't need that in this moment, but I'm gonna add just the other stuff, okay. Remember, float left, margin right and left 1%, and the width 80, okay. And this one, remember, is for the container feature, okay. All right, let's try to add this manually. First, period, okay, then cont, you will see the container feature there, okay, you can just click there, open and close curly bracket, okay, and then I'm gonna type here width, okay, and I'm gonna put 48%, okay, semicolon, all right, and enter, okay. But I have to stretch this one in order to see the change, okay. I need to go more than 960, okay. I'm gonna stretch this. It's not yet. I'm gonna hide this in order to show you what's gonna happen, okay. All right, can see it's covering now just 48%, all right. In addition, I'm gonna add the margin left of 1%, okay, semicolon, then margin right of 1% also, 1%, semicolon, enter. And then I have to add the float left. Okay, and automatically you can see all those elements there. Okay, and when I start talking about the border box, okay, I'm going to show you on the following. I'm going to show you on this picture. Okay, what's going to happen with the border box. All right, I'm here with the container feature. Everything is okay. All right, and then I'm going to select the topic 1, okay, which is the same, 48% margin left, margin right, and topic 2 pretty much is the same. Okay, I'm going to select these two. Okay, pretty much the same, copy, and then I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna paste beneath this is more for order, and then paste. Okay, you see the topic 1 and topic 2, but if you see here, this picture, okay, has 48% that comes from the other media query. Okay, I have to override that. Okay, I'm gonna go here to the CSS code. Okay, and of the, let me double check what I have here. All right, the topic 1 IMG, which is the image of the topic 1, and the topic 2 IMG, the width is 100%. Okay, and remember this is class, it's not ID. I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna go to the other one. Okay, if you see here, I'm gonna go at the end, hit enter and paste. Okay, I'm gonna happen now. This one is 100% of the 48%. Okay, and now it's looking good, the entire website. Okay, that is the idea of the media query. It's nothing too difficult. Okay, you have to apply just changes if the minimum width is 768 and changes if the minimum width is 960. All right, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna test this one in Google Chrome. Okay, I have to preview again. Okay, you can click here, preview in Google Chrome. Okay, and now you see if I start stretching this, okay, the behavior of the website is pretty good. And now you have a responsive, okay, design, a responsive site. Okay, all right, what is the last step? What else do you need in order to be compatible with every single browser? Okay, all right, I'm gonna close this one. I don't need this one anymore. Okay, and this is the first Harley Davidson. This is your website. Let me open the panel here. All right, I'm gonna do more order. Okay, what else do you need? Okay, and the website is looking good. I have my source code, everything is okay. But look at this, I have to include a few things in order to be compatible with every single browser. Okay, and one of the things that I like to do is this. Look at it. I'm gonna hide my Dreamweaver. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I don't need Illustrator anymore. All right, and I'm gonna go here to Google and I'm gonna search Boilerplate, HTML boilerplate. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this one, and this is a framework, okay, which is a template to start a website in a very good shape. It's a very good foundation to start a website. The only thing that you have to do is download this. Okay, I'm gonna select my desktop, all right, to download there. Okay, I'm gonna save. All right, and now I have this on the desktop. Okay, you see if this one, I already download this, I don't need this anymore. Okay, and what you have to do this is double click to unzip. Okay, and look at what happened inside this folder. Inside this folder you have different elements. Okay, and everything here is required to every single website. Okay, the website gonna perform very well if you include all these elements on your website. Okay, what you have to do is a few things. Okay, first, look at this. I'm gonna open this folder and I'm gonna put just the elements, okay, that I have here. All right, let me hide this. Okay, and I'm gonna open the Harley Davidson 2, okay, with all the files that I have here. Okay, what you have to do is very simple. First, if you see I have index, okay, the same name, and I had to put all these elements here, but in order to do not replace, I'm gonna change the name of the index. I'm gonna index 2, okay, and then I'm gonna drag and drop here. Okay, then if you see I have CSS, okay, in that case what I have to do, I'm gonna select all these two guys, okay, and then I'm gonna drag and drop inside this CSS. Okay, okay, see now it's inside the CSS with your CSS. Okay, and then I can get rid of this CSS folder. All right, then I have to copy all this stuff, all right, and drag and drop here. Okay, and now everything is ready. Okay, all right, let's go back to Dreamweaver. Okay, and what you have to do is pretty simple. If I go to the files panel, okay, now you can see I have all these files here. All right, okay, I'm gonna open the index 2. Okay, this is the index that you have to use. All right, and what you have to do, I'm gonna go to the index 1. Okay, and here I'm gonna copy everything that I have on the head. Okay, but I don't need the number 4. I don't need the number 5 because I already have on the other one. If you see here, I have the UTF-8, okay, and I have the title also. All right, what you have to do is copy all this, okay, the script and the CSS, okay, copy this, go to the index 2, okay, and I'm gonna paste at the end of the head. Okay, open a space there and paste your style. Okay, then if you see here, I have the body. All right, and the only line of code that I have is this one. Okay, on the line 27, add your site or application content here. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna do a few enters, and here I have to paste my site. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna select everything that is inside the body, all the way down until the body finish. All right, but do not select body, just all the divs that you have there. Copy, then go to this one and paste. Okay, all right, and everything is okay. If you don't see changes, okay, sometimes you can see a few changes, but probably you will not see big changes because everything, but all the elements that you have here, okay, are very, very good, okay, to perform in a very good way your website. Okay, for example, I'm going to show you a few part of the code. In this moment here, what I have is, for example, I have description. Okay, in description here you can put the description of your website. Okay, you can do, for example, Harley Davidson can see you can put that description. Then you can hear the viewport. This is to be compatible with smartphones. Okay, and then also you have for the touch app icon, okay, for a screen. When you open, for example, Safari, okay, you can see all these icons, okay, and you can change the icons that you have there. If I go to the Finder, all right, I'm gonna show you what you have now. Can see this is the icon that you can change. All right, okay, and here you have the title PNG. I mean, you can put the logo there, okay, and then also you have the Fav Icon. This Fav Icon is good, okay. Every time that you open a website, for example, if I go here to Chrome, okay, if you start opening, for example, Google, if I open another one, you can see you are working here in Google, and sometimes you can see that little icon like that one, okay, that is the icon. Or also sometimes you can see the icon here on the top, okay, that is the icon that you will see if you change that, okay, for your own icon, okay. Maybe you can put the logo, okay, there. All right, and I have many other things here. For example, normalize, okay, is to put all the different all the CSS in a very good shape to be compatible with the other browser. I mean, it's a lot of code here, okay. I'm not planning to explain every single thing, okay. I have a document that you can take a look, okay, as a part of the guide on this on the comment of this video. All right, and also here on the lowest part you have a connection for Google Analytics, okay. And the only thing that you have to go to googleanalytics.com, okay. You can create an account there. All right, they're gonna give you for this website this number, okay. And what you can do, you can copy that number, and then you can put here. In that case, you can have analytics for your website. You can see that is the idea. That is everything that you need to put a website in a very good shape, okay. And then you can just upload your website to your own FTP, okay. By FTP you can download to your own hosting provider. All right, I'm gonna open the index too. All right, and now everything is okay. My website is responsive. Okay, I have media queries. It's compatible with every single browser. All right, I'm happy. Okay, and guys, I hope you like this tutorial. See you on the next one. Bye.